coming to our next class. Today our maths class. See children, chapter 5. What is that? Division. Already I explained that children. Get started. B Roman. A Roman is completed. Now B Roman. See, first sum is given 666 divided by 8. Okay? And you write this sum divided by after. That 8 you write in bracket. And this number 666 you write in middle place. Okay? Now you see the 8 table, how many times 666 is cancelled. Okay? Now you write the 8 table here. See 8 table up to 10 steps. Okay children? See now 8 table, first you see the first number 6. 6 is in 8 table is there, more than single digit 6 is there? No. So you see the double digit 66. So 66 is in 8 table children? No. 64 is there. After 72 is there. But middle 66 is not there. So you write the 66 nearest smallest number is 64. How many times? 8 times. So you write this 8 here. And you write this 64, 66 downs. Do the subtraction. Already explained that. Repeated subtraction is called as division. Yes children? Yes. Now you do the subtraction. Take 6 fingers. Close 4 fingers remaining 2. And here 6 minus 6 0. And write this 6 here. 26. So in 8 table 26 is there children? No. So nearest smallest number is 24 is there. Smallest nearest number 24. So how many times in 8 table 24? 3 times. So you write the 3 here and 24 right here. Do the subtraction. Take 6 fingers, close 4 fingers. Again you write 2. So 2 minus 2 0. So here 2 is the remainder. Okay children, already explained that this is the remainder. This is the quotient. Okay, so right here quotient 83 and remainder 2. Okay, note this sum in your notebooks children. See your next problem children, second one. 500 divided by 6. First you write the 6 in bracket and 500 you write the middle place. Draw this line. Okay, you write the answer in this place. Okay children. Now 6 table, 2 zeros remain. 5. 6 table in 5 is there? No. Now you see the double digit number 50. Okay, in 6 table 50 is there children? No, 54 is there. So 50 nearest and smallest number is 48. How many times? In 6 table? 8 times. So you write that 8 here and this answer 48 you write in 50 downside. Okay children? Next, do the subtraction. Now 0 minus 8 is possible children? No, not possible. So this 0 is taking the borrowing from 5. One number, that 1 means 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 5 already give one number borrowing. So remaining 4. Now take 10 fingers, close 8 fingers. Remaining 2. So 4 minus 4, 0. And accepted 0 is there. You write this 0 here. 2 after. Okay? In 6 table 20 is there children, check once. No, 24 is there. So 20 nearest smallest number is 18. How Any number is there, you write down here. Downs? No. So this is the remainder here. This is the quotient. So right here the answers are quotient and remainder. Quotient is 83 and remainder is 2. Okay, note this sum also in your notebooks, children. So next sum, children, third sum, 222 divided by 2. Now you see the 2 table. Middle number is 222. Okay. Now you see the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Okay. Now you see only single digit 2. 2 is there in 2 table? Yes. How many times? 1 time. So you write here 1 time 2. Do the subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. Write this 2 now. Again 2 1 time. So 1 time 2. Do the subtraction. 0. Now write this 2 again 1 time 2. Do the subtraction. 0. So 222 in 2 table 111 times. Okay, children. So this is the remainder. This is the quotient. Okay. Now write here quotient 111 and the remainder 0. But before 2 sums of the reminders is becomes the numbers that place. But in this problem the remainder becomes 0. Okay, children. Note this sum in your notebooks. Okay, next fourth problem, 345 divided by 3. Okay, now in 3 table you do the 345. You see how many times cancel in 3 table? 345. Now you write the 3 table. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay. Now in 3 table, first number 3 is there. So 3 is there, children, in 3 table. How many times? 1 time. So you write 1 here and 3 right here. Do the subtraction. 3 minus 3 is 0 and write this 4. In 3 table 4 is there? 4? No. So nearest smallest number is 3. 1 time. 3. Do the subtraction. Take 4 fingers, close 3 fingers, remaining 1. So what is the next number? 5. Now in 3 table 15. 5 times. So write this 5 here and 15 here. Do the subtraction. 0. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So first you write here quotient. What is the answer? 115. And remainder. What is the remainder here? 0. So in 3 table 345, 115 times. Okay, children. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. What is this? This is the divisor. This is the dividend. Okay. So note this sum in your notebooks. Table also you write in your rough side place. Okay.